Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so the connection is reliable. On your phone, enable screencast or developer options and grant screen and network permissions. On the HP laptop, open settings and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so discovery is possible. Make sure you have the Windows Connect app or Microsoft Your Phone installed. If using third-party mirroring, install the companion app on the laptop. Once done, keep both devices on the same Wi-Fi network and unlocked so the pairing step can proceed. You now pair the phone and HP laptop. Open the Connect or Your Phone app on Windows and choose Add Device or launch the mirroring receiver. On your phone, tap Cast or Screen Mirroring and select the HP laptop from the Discovery list. Confirm the pairing code or accept the permission prompt. Once connected, adjust streaming quality, orientation, and audio routing in the app settings so performance balances with network capacity. Make sure background apps that use bandwidth are minimized to reduce lag. You finish by confirming the display and controls behave as expected, set full screen or window mode, test audio, and check touch input if supported. If wireless mirroring is unstable, switch to a wired USB connection or USB-C to HDMI adapter for reliable video and audio with lower latency. If things go wrong, restart the phone, the HP laptop's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and the mirroring app. That simple restart fixes most pairing and streaming errors, and then try the connection again within 30 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.